fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
Alright y'all, welcome back. It's freaking a beautiful day, about 70 degrees, sunny. So yeah, we had to get out and get a walk. We're at Walnut Woods today, and we're gonna do the Beechwood Trail. Yeah, we are. Where are we at?
Rocky Fork.
Oh, sorry. We're at Rocky Fork. And we're gonna do the Beechwood Trail, which is a 1.2 mile paved loop. So let's get this stepping, folks. Here's the map. Here we are. Right?
Yeah.
Then what? This?
We're gonna do this.
Oh, okay. So we're doing this purple one right here. Okay? Okay.
And we're
Ready?
at Rocky Fork.
Rocky Fork. I tried to tell him that, but where was Walnut Woods?
Where we were yesterday.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, this street, like right there, out there says Walnut, so it confused me.
Okay.
Look, that's what's making the noises. Spring peppers love to make noise as soon as the ice melts. Male spring peppers start calling for their mates. Males will peep loudly and blow bubbles to attract the attention of a female. If you guys can hear in the background, there's a bunch of them making noise. We were wondering what it was at first. Now we know. I thought it sounded a little like cicadas. I was like, oh no, not again. So what's up with you folks? Yeah. I'm talking to the YouTubes. Who? I am not walking fast. I'm trying to just get ahead of people, so they're not like getting the shot the whole time. So we've never been to this park, so. Guys hear them? Rabbit, rabbit, you hear all the frogs? There's tons of them. Wonder if we see any. Huh? I think I'm gonna make some super easy mushroom fettuccine for dinner. Might make a little video about it, I don't know. But instead of making a cream sauce, you know, with butter and cream or milk or whatever, I think I'm just gonna use cream of mushroom sauce, kind of thin it out a little bit. Then cut up some portobello mushrooms and green peppers and just toss that in. A little bit of Parmesan with some fettuccine and make a salad. And that'll be a yummy dinner, hopefully. Am I still walking too fast? Yeah, we've been out walking a lot lately. We went back to Beaver Lake Trail over at Prairie Oaks yesterday, but we couldn't get very far on it. Oh, there's a grass loop trail there too, but it's muddy. You know, we got like halfway down it and it was all flooded out. The lake was flooded. There's a bridle trail. That must be a horse trail. I'm hoping some of you people out there I'm friends with get out and start walking and making some videos. I'd like to see some of the trails in your area. And I'm about like almost running out of trails here in Central Ohio, so I'm gonna have to branch out and go further soon. I mean, I don't mind walking trails again, but as far as like video content is concerned, might get a little boring. Howdy. So I try to keep each trail I post nice and fresh for y'all. New trails. I mean, you know, as the seasons change, go back to the old trails and you can see them like in spring and fall and winter, summer, blah blah, because they look different. Like when spring gets here and all this foliage is filled in, probably be really cool. There's a bunch of people over there, I think they're like frog hunting or something. They have like little blue nets. Oh, salamanders. Salamanders love to dance, do they? On a rainy night in late winter, hundreds will gather at the vernal pool in the forest to participate in a nuptial dance called Libicel, I don't know what that says, where they swim, dive, and nudge one another with their noses. Oh, ain't that cute? And here's the salamander. This is the frog. Oh, sorry, that's making all that noise. And spotted salamanders. It's a nice park.
It'd be cool in the summertime with all these trees here.
Yeah. Looks like they got lots of these little signs. All right, what's this one? Wood ducks. Wood ducks. Wood ducks love to nest in tree cavities. Unfortunately, the right size hole might be hard to find. The large wooden boxes on poles around the perimeter of the lake provide additional nesting spots for these beautiful ducks. Ducklings will leap from the entrance shortly after hatching. Cool. It's cool.
Hello.
Howdy.
I left my walking stick in the car. Darn it.
Is that like part corgi or something?
What?
Her dog, it looked like a corgi, kinda, but not. Yeah. Aren't those the dogs the Queen of England really likes? Lots of people out getting active today. That's good. We should get bikes again.
Do what?
So we should get bikes again. We could put the GoPro on the bike. I gotta find a lawn company to come take care of the grass. I tried to do it last year. But we got this, what was wrong with the grass? Yeah, it got rust. And like, yeah, I guess grass gets rust. But like all the grass, it's like a fungus, yeah, because we had a lot of moisture and stuff. So we're gonna have to have some professionals come. And take care of the lawn this year. We had leisure lawn a couple years ago, but that was the reason I started trying to do it, because they totally destroyed our lawn. Like, they put way too much fertilizer down one time and they completely like burnt the whole lawn, and it took the whole year to like water it a lot and reseed to fix it. So I was like, why are we paying people to ruin our lawn? But it's gonna need a professional, so we're gonna do some research on that. Here's another one. What's this one? Oh, this is just telling you about animal tracks. Who doesn't love a good mystery? Me. Take a hike after it snows and you will be amazed by the amount of animal foot traffic in the woods. Where were they going? What were they doing? What species were they? We don't know. Ooh, did I tell you that one day I was driving and all them, it's in the video, the wild turkeys just crossed the road?
Oh, yeah, you said something about that.
Yeah, right there by Speedway. So like a whole family of turkeys just crossed the road. I didn't know we had wild turkeys in Hilliard. I know we got coyotes. It's probably a food source for the coyotes. He's a bird. I don't hear them frogs anymore. So I did weigh myself today. Last time I was like 216. I'm back up to 219, but I had, you know, a little bad binge period. So we gained a couple pounds, but that's not a big deal. We're gonna do it. Uh-oh. Striped skunks. Love February. Males will start wooing the male love interest mid-month. If she's
Hey, can my dog chew on a deer head bone?
Deer antlers, yeah.
if she is interested, she will spray the rebel her.
Deer antlers. I don't know about a deer head.
I know.
Oh, that's a deer head they got?
I don't know.
Oh no!
I don't know what it is.
It's oh, it looks like a pelvic bone.
Oh, deer pelvis?
Maybe. Yeah, that's what it looks like, a pelvic bone.
Leave it.
Or no, I see the eye spots.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah.
Wow.
Huh.
Look, he's like, that's mine, don't touch it.
Huh. Yeah, but they could probably splinter.
Oh yeah. I mean, he's all happy about it though.
I know. It's like he's not chewing on it, he's just carrying it around. I'm like, okay, let's go for a walk with the bone, with the deer head.
He earned it.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. Just found a deer skull and he picked it up like, that's mine.
That's funny.
She's telling everybody.
Yeah, antlers, yeah. Oh, I doubt.
What? What? You want candy? I think we got another shine. What's this one for? Squirrels. Gray squirrel and fox squirrel. February is the month of love for squirrels. Watch for multiple males chasing a female with mind-numbing agility, each hoping to father the next generation. Females give birth in late March. Kits are blind, deaf, and furless at birth, but are independent at only 12 weeks. Cool.
We're gonna have a lot of squirrels.
Yeah, we've got so many squirrels in our yard this year, and they're big squirrels. Like really big. Yeah. They be tormenting her too. These benches don't have like, a lot of the benches at these metro parks are like dedicated to people and have cool things in there, but these ones don't. Oh, here's one about the turkeys. These must all been like for Valentine's or something. Wild turkeys love to display in the spring. Tom males strut around with puffed body feathers and tails to impress the hens. Once breeding season is over, they display less often, returning to a more sleek profile. Toms can be identified in all seasons by long feathered beards on their chest. Cool. Wonder where she picked up that skull. I should have asked. I love being out in nature and just walking. It's so peaceful. It's good for you. I'm absorbing some sun, getting some cardiovascular activity in, burning some calories, getting some steps. So yeah, everybody get out and go for a walk today. 5 minutes won't hurt, y'all. Just go walk for 5 minutes. Or longer, but at least 5 minutes. Get up and just get moving, folks. Life is too short to have a sedentary, I don't know if I'm saying that right, sedentary lifestyle. And it's not healthy for you, so. I like these little notes though. They should update them, like let us know what's going on the rest of the months, not just February. It's March now. All right, this one is for the eastern screech owl. Love to show off to each other. Just after sunset, the males begin to call and perch near the females. They also blink, bow, fluff, preen, raise their wings, and bob and swirl their heads as part of their courtship. If the female is interested, she will respond in a similar fashion. Screech owls are monogamous and mate for life. Cool. Oh, I just heard turkeys. Did you hear the turkeys? What is that? It's like a... What is that? Ooh, let's go back here. What is this? It's like a old abandoned house or something. What is this? It's creepy. Is it Blair Witch? We come in peace. Unless you're trying to mess with me, then I'll mollywop you. Oh, what's that? Chipmunks? Okay, I ain't going back there. It's freaking me out. Alright, yeah, there you go, folks. I don't know what used to be there, but something creepy. Look at that bird. Y'all see that big bird? What is that? What is that? I think that's a turkey vulture, is it? Let's see. Yeah, that's a turkey vulture. There's a couple of them. Probably loving these air currents they got going on right now. We go left, right? Yeah. Comes another sign. What's this one for? Skunk Cabbage. What's skunk cabbage? Who doesn't love a plant that can generate its own heat? Oh, interesting. Skunk cabbage pokes through the ground in February and can actually melt a hole in the surrounding snow through a process called thermogenesis. The purple and green speckled spathe around or surrounds the actual flower might be 20 degrees warmer than the surrounding air. Well, that's interesting. This is a nice park. What's it called again? Rocky Fork. All right, folks, if you want to come check this park out, it's called Rocky Fork. It's a metro park here in central Ohio. I like it. We'll be back. But yeah, that's the end of the trail, folks. We're back where we started. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy nature, folks. Okay? Love you lots. Mean it. See you later. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never